There are many products available to choose from back support belt, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best back support belts from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sporthos Back Brace. If you're someone who suffers from lower back pain, you know how debilitating it can be. It can affect your daily routine and make even simple tasks feel unbearable. That's why we put together a list of the best back braces for lower back pain. These braces are designed to provide support and alleviate pain, so you can get back to doing the things you love. Our team has researched and tested each product to ensure that we're recommending only the best of the best. So, without further ado, here are our top picks for the best back braces for lower back pain. If you're suffering from lower back pain, then the Sporthos back brace is a must-have. Pros. Provides immediate pain relief. Adjustable lumbar pad for extra compression. Comfortable to wear under any clothes. Cons. May not be suitable for all body types. Velcro may wear out over time. It can be too tight for some users. Number 2. Free2 Back Braces. We highly recommend the Free2 back braces for anyone suffering from lower back pain. Pros. The 4-memory aluminum stays and 2 steel springs offer 360 degrees stronger vertical support to the lower back, preventing excessive rolling of your muscles and decreasing the pressure on your discs. The back support is made of 4-way stretch elastic material with 3D knitting technology, providing superior fit, breathability, and comfort. The inner layer is made of velvet fabric, giving an ultimate baby skin-like silky touch. The back support with 2 elastic straps is designed to add extra compression around the lower back to prevent back injuries from weightlifting, long time standing or sitting, doing housework, working, etc. Cons. The 2 silicone anti-skid bands on the 2 sides of the waist can be uncomfortable for some people. The 1.5-3.7 wide size touch fasteners of 2 elastic straps may not fit well for people with larger waist sizes. The back brace may feel bulky under tight clothing. Number 3. Fetal Back Brace. We highly recommend the Fetal Back Brace for lower back pain, as it is a great option for those who suffer from back pain. Pros. The back brace is made of breathable fabrics, which makes it comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. The extra lumbar pad provides additional support for the lower back, which is especially helpful for those who suffer from herniated discs, sciatica, or scoliosis. The back brace is available in various sizes, ensuring an optimal fit for different body types. Cons. The back brace may feel bulky for some users. The included lumbar pad may not be suitable for all users. The back brace may not provide enough support for heavy lifting or intense physical activity. The Fetal Back Brace is effective in relieving lower back pain caused by various spine problems. The breathable fabrics make it comfortable to wear for extended periods of time, and the extra lumbar pad provides additional support for the lower back. Number 4. Free2 Air Mesh Back Brace. We highly recommend the Free2 Air Mesh Back Brace for anyone experiencing lower back pain. Pros. The 4-memory aluminum stays and 2 steel springs provide 360 degrees stronger support to lower back, relieving back pain caused by various conditions. The air mesh channels of the brace provide comfort for all-day wear even during the toughest work. The back support elastic straps are 4 times stronger than regular stretch yarn, easily adding extra compression around the back for lower back pain relief. Cons. Some users reported that the Velcro weakened over time and lost its hold. The brace may not fit comfortably for those with larger waists. The silicone anti-skid bands may cause some discomfort for those with sensitive skin. We personally tried the Free2 Air Mesh Back Brace and found it to be incredibly supportive and comfortable. The 4-memory aluminum stays and 2 steel springs provided a noticeable difference in the amount of lower back pain we experienced. The air mesh channels kept us cool and comfortable during extended periods of wear. The back support elastic straps were easy to adjust and provided extra compression when needed. Number 5. Suptris Back Brace. If you're looking for a back brace that provides immediate relief for lower back pain, the Suptris Back Brace is definitely worth considering. Pros. The Suptris Back Brace offers 360 degrees stronger vertical support to the lower back, thanks to the 5-memory aluminum stays and 2 steel springs placed along the waist side. The back support belt contains 2 elastic straps designed to add extra compression around the lower back, which prevents back injuries and relieves waist muscles ache, disc herniation, sciatica, scoliosis, etc. The breathable fabrics used in the production of the Suptris Back Brace, along with the adjustable perfect fit design, make it comfortable and easy to wear under clothes. Cons. The Suptris Back Brace can be a bit bulky to wear under tight-fitting clothes. It may take a little time to get used to wearing the back brace, especially if you've never worn one before. The Suppress back brace is only available in one size, which may not fit all body types. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.